There were a couple of crashes lately, due to my stupid mistakes in motor mixing. But now everything seems to be fine, and the box is ready for its first test flights. While I'm preparing for takeoff, let me tell a few words about it. The box is a prototype of a closed-wing distributed propulsion eVTOL aircraft. Such aircraft layout takes the best both from airplanes and multicopters, while lacking some of their disadvantages. It may be used as a delivery or surveillance drone, or even as an eVTOL passenger aircraft. But enough talking, let's see if it will fly. I am using INAV position hold mode to fly the box. And while INAV doesn't allow to build an automated eVTOL aircraft, it is good for the first flight tests, and even allows such a noob as I am to pilot a drone without crushing it. The transition between vertical and horizontal flight modes is probably the most challenging stage for a tail-seater airplane. Here are my first attempts to do it. Unfortunately, it is impossible to do in INAV position hold mode, because it limits the maximum bank angle to 45 degrees. I am not an experienced pilot, and I didn't feel comfortable flying the box in acro mode yet. And though I can't call it a complete transition to horizontal flight, it looks rather promising to me. Stay tuned for a full transition video. Please like and subscribe, it is very important for me.